The numbers are staggering. The U.S. adding more than 4 million new COVID cases in the month of November. But help could be just around the corner, with Moderna announcing Monday they've applied for emergency use authorization from the FDA for their vaccine candidate, which the drugmaker says was more than 94% effective in large-scale clinical trials.
These data are robust and should be clearly sufficient to enable the emergency use authorization in the U.S.
The approval process should take about 2 weeks, then focus turns to distribution. The White House says the first doses will be shipped within 24 hours of approval. Vice President Mike Pence speaking to the nation's governors on Monday to coordinate shipments and discuss who should be vaccinated first.
We want to make sure those first vaccines, the first weeks, go to those most vulnerable, those where you have the biggest impact on saving lives.
Overworked healthcare workers are hoping these vaccines will help contain the outbreak, with hospitalizations still soaring and more than a dozen states reporting record levels in November. Despite the new surge, some areas are still moving ahead with reopening plans, including New York City, where kids could be back in classrooms for in-person learning as soon as next week.
We've heard from those families they need this back, so we will get that up and running.
Here in Texas, the governor has formed a special panel to help make recommendations on who should get the first round of vaccines.